In order to simplify this rational exponent, the first thing that I would do is get rid of this negative exponent by finding the reciprocal. So that means that the negative 16 is going to get pushed down to the bottom. It's still going to be in parentheses because the entire negative 16 is being raised to the 3 over 2 power. Notice my exponent is positive now. Once I'm here, I would convert my rational exponent to a radical to see if I can break it down. So the 2 at the bottom becomes my index. The negative 16 will stay inside, and then I have to the 3rd power. So now I want to simplify this as much as I can. Well, the square root of a negative I know is going to have an I. So I'm going to end up with 1 over 4I because the square root of negative 1 is I and the square root of 16 is 4. But I still have the 3rd power here. So 4 to the 3rd power is going to be 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. I cubed. We also know that I squared equals negative 1. So an I cubed can be broken up into I squared and then the leftover I. This I squared changes to a negative 1, so it makes 64 negative. So this is a pretty good answer, but you'd never want to leave an I or a radical in the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this fraction and we are going to rationalize the denominator by multiplying the top and the bottom by an I. That leaves me with I at the top and negative 64I squared at the bottom. Again, that I squared changes to a negative 1. So that's actually going to be a positive 64 at the bottom. So my final answer is going to be I at the top, positive 64 at the bottom. If this example is from a section that did not involve imaginary numbers, meaning maybe you didn't get to it yet, you would actually say no solution here or D&E, depending on what kind of software you might be typing your answer into.